Hi there, thanks for watching this episode where we're going to talk about the Ion grid. We'll first go to the Ion docs. You can use the link that I provided for you below. In this page it will explain most of the things that you need to know about the Ion grid. I will start by explaining what a grid is for those who are not familiar. A grid can be used to structure the layout of the page. It functions almost the same as a table. There is one grid element and then you can specify rows in which you can specify columns. We will start by a simple demonstration of a grid. First you have the Ion grid element. In there you have to have an Ion row element. And then you have Ion column elements. And let's say that we start with 3 columns. In these columns we can type some text, like specifying which column is which, but you can type here everything you want. We will open the app to see what we just made, and here we see our grid from left to right. And to make it more visual for you, we will give all the elements a color. So we will start with the grid element. We will set this a background color of black. Then the row will be purple. Then the first column will be red, let's say. I can just copy it, else my fingers get numb. And this one can be green, and we make this one blue. Many people say that using a style property a lot in the HTML is bad practice. So try to avoid to use the style property a lot when you're building your app for production. Okay, now that's out of the way. We're going to take a look at our app now. And here we see our grid better than before. So the black border is the grid, and it's also behind these colored columns. We cannot see the row because it's behind those columns, but we could give the row some padding. And voila, now you can see where the row is. To make the text more clear, we're going to give it a white color. And instead of adding it to our style property, we're going to do it the right way. So we take our Ion call, we go to our CSS, and we're going to use this element over here to change the color of the text. And we set it to white. It's most likely that you didn't have this P element where all the text is going to the right, because I think I removed it in one of the videos, so I will remove it here also. Okay, now that we have seen a simple structure of a grid, we're going to look deeper into it.